To size conductors for a 1200 amp service, firstly determine the ampacity or current carrying capacity required. Calculate the maximum load demand for the service by adding up the ampacities of all connected loads. For a 1200 amp service, the ampacity required will be 1200 amps. Secondly, choose the appropriate conductor type. For a 1200 amp service, a copper or aluminum conductor is typically used. Thirdly, refer to electrical tables. Electric codes, such as the National Electrical Code, provide tables that list the ampacity ratings for different conductor sizes. Based on the ampacity required, which is 1200 amps, select the appropriate conductor size from the tables. For conduit sizing, firstly calculate the total area occupied by the conductors. Multiply the cross-sectional area of each conductor by the number of conductors. Secondly, determine the fill percentage for the conduit. The National Electrical Code limits the fill percentage of conduit to 40% for 3 or more conductors. Multiply the total area occupied by the conductors by 100 and divide by 40 to calculate the required conduit area. Thirdly, select the appropriate conduit size. Based on the required conduit area, select the smallest conduit size that is equal to or greater than the calculated area. Conduit sizes are typically in inches, such as 3 inches, 4 inches, and so on. For example, for 1200 amp service with a 480/277 volt system, you might choose 3 600 kcmil copper conductors and a 6-inch conduit. Always consult the latest electrical codes for specific requirements. The conductor and conduit sizes may vary depending on factors such as voltage drop, conductor temperature rating, and other environmental conditions. It is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician for proper sizing and installation.